Welcome to our comparison of the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060 Ti graphics cards. Today, we're diving into the differences between the 8GB and 16GB models. We'll explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and which one might be the best choice for your gaming and professional needs. Let's get started. The first major difference between these two graphics cards is their memory capacity. The 8GB model is designed for standard gaming and professional applications, while the 16GB model offers double the memory. This increase in memory can significantly enhance performance in memory-intensive tasks, such as high-resolution gaming and graphic design. If you're looking to future-proof your setup or engage in more demanding applications, the 16GB variant may be the better choice. Next, let's talk about price. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB is priced at $379, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. In contrast, the 16GB version comes in at $429. While the higher price tag of the 16GB model reflects its increased memory capacity, it's essential to consider whether the additional investment aligns with your gaming needs and budget. For casual gamers, the 8GB model may suffice, while enthusiasts might find the 16GB worth the extra cost. Finally, let's discuss performance potential. Both cards feature the same WINDFORCE cooling system and support PCIe 5.0, ensuring efficient operations. However, the 16GB model is likely to handle more demanding applications and higher settings in games, providing a smoother experience during intense gaming sessions. If you're planning to play the latest titles at high resolutions or engage in content creation, the 16GB card could offer a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB and 16GB models offer excellent performance for gaming and professional use. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a casual gamer or working with less demanding applications, the 8GB model is a solid choice. However, if you want to future-proof your setup and tackle more intensive tasks, the 16GB variant is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.